Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Beginner Series. This is a video number 18. In this video, we will learn count, count A and count blank function. So let's start. So let's see count function. The count function is used to count only numeric value in a range. So let's start. So in this data, you can see the salary column and here I'm going to count this salary. So select the cell, use the is equal to, enter the count and select the range of cell and bracket closed and enter. You can see the total 5 count of salaries available: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so next, in count function only count numeric value if your range have any text. Suppose I enter here the text any. Okay, and you can see here the 4 count is showing now: 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not considered text cell. Okay, here only the numeric value consider. Okay, if I remove the text and it blank cell also not consider, only numeric value is consider. So that's it. So next, count A function. The count A function counts all non-empty cells including both text and number. So in this data, I'm going to use here count A function. Select the cell, use this equal to, enter here the count A. So I select this count A function, then select the range of data, bracket closed and enter. Here the total 5 is number. Suppose I enter here the text any. Okay, it will consider. Okay, suppose I remove this value, it will not consider. Okay, all non-empty cell only, not empty cell. Okay, understood? That's it. Next, count blank function. The count blank function helps you find empty cell in a range. So here select the cell, use is equal to, and here in salary column I use count blank, select the range of data, bracket close and enter. Here the 0, because in this range of cell there is no any empty cell. If I remove this amount, you can see the count 1 empty cell, the selected range. Again I remove this amount, 2 empty cell in selected range. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.